Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Konami ID account. So if you've been using Konami ID for a certain while but no longer feel the need of it or the wish to use it, this is what you can do in order to permanently close your account. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser, and then as you go to your web browser, go to my.konami.net and make sure that you're already logged into your ID. So when you're already logged into your account, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you will see that the end option says delete Konami ID. So tap on delete Konami ID. As you tap on this, it says here, if you agree to the terms, click on agree, then confirm the information that is to be deleted. So tap on agree after reading through the Konami ID terms of use. After tapping on agree, it'll let you know what things will go off as you delete Konami ID. So read through it. And there's a final reminder, there are also important reminders. Read through everything, tap on the agree button, and then tap on delete. After tapping on delete, it says here that your Konami ID has been deleted, which means that you will no longer be able to access your account. Even though if you remember the password or you have a certain email address at the moment, you will not be able to log in at any time now that your account has permanently closed. So this is basically how you can delete your Konami ID account. I hope that this video has guided you through the process. If it did, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also do share, subscribe to App Guide, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we upload a new tutorial video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you around next time.